everybody, welcome into the Age of Anderson channel. Well, I've been very busy lately, both working on content and new ideas for the channel, as well as working at my jobby job, but I do want to continue to put out new content regularly. So, while today's video might be a little shorter than normal, it's still a great recipe that I make all the time. But right up top, I want to thank everybody that watches this channel. It's both an incredibly humbling and inspiring feeling to know that there are people out there that enjoy watching me do my everyday stuff here. So welcome to any new subscribers, and shout out to all the old subscribers. Now let's get started with this recipe. It's a Taqueria style taco sauce that everyone's gonna love. So let's get started. Now this is just one of many different kinds of taco sauces or hot sauces that you'll find at taquerias and taco trucks. So once you know how to do this, it's really fun to kind of customize it and make it your own, or make a whole bunch of different ones. So let's take a look at the ingredients for the sauce we're making today. I got a nice handful of dried chile de arbol, and these are pretty hot, so you might want to be careful with them. Equal parts tomato and tomatillo, a couple of cloves of garlic, half an onion, and some of those canned chipotle peppers. So we're gonna make this all in one pan today, and the first thing I'm gonna do is toast up my dried chilies over medium heat. It's just a dry pan. We'll toss them in there. I like mine pretty spicy, so I'm gonna use at least 20 of these. After a couple of minutes on the first side, you can see it's getting some toastiness going already. That's real nice compared to this side, which is still just red. So I'll toss them around and give them another couple of minutes. Don't want to get them completely black, but just some of those nice toasty spots all over the place. That looks pretty good. Oh, I'll set those guys aside. So now I'll add a bunch of water to my pan. And we'll put in the onions and the tomatoes and the tomatillos. And I did take these over, of course, and peel and wash my tomatillos. And now I'll bring this up to high. Well, I nearly forgot to put those peppers in there too. Now we've got it up to a boil, and I'm going to give that 1 minute, and then I'm going to pull out these tomatoes and onions and tomatillos. I'm going to leave these peppers in a little bit longer because I didn't put them in there until a couple minutes after everything else. So just remember to throw it all in there at the same time. Well, now I'll take the tomatillos and put those right into the old Japanese assassin. I'll get that onion out of there, and it can go in as well. The tomatoes, I'm going to take out and let those cool just long enough so that I can peel that skin off of there. It's loosened up now, and it'll come right off, but they're a little too hot to handle. Alright, these tomatoes cooled off just a little bit. They're still real hot, but I can peel those skins right off of there and then just drop those guys right into the blender with everything else. That looks perfect. Now I'll go ahead and throw in the peppers. That's nice. Now I'll throw in just a couple of those nice chipotle peppers. Those got a nice heat to them, as well as a good smokiness. I'll go ahead and throw in 3 in this batch. A couple of big cloves of garlic and a tiny clove of garlic. Big old pinch of salt. A couple of teaspoons maybe. And I'm going to start with a cup of water, and I'm using cold water here so this doesn't explode when I go and blend it. Now I just need to wazz the heck out of that. Alright, get a good long wazzing. Let's check it out. Yeah, looks about right. This is not a real thick sauce. It should be fairly watery. Not in flavor though. So let's give that a try. Woo! That is nice. I'm just gonna throw in another little pinch of salt there. And this is done. However, I personally like to put this back on the heat and simmer it for just a few minutes because I feel like that heating and then cooling really helps those flavors to bind together and become one. So, I'm just gonna pop that right back into the pot. Bring that up to a boil and simmer it for 2 or 3 minutes. Oh yeah, that smells awesome. Now let's see how we did. Oh yeah, that is some good hot sauce. It's just like classic taco truck or taco stand sauce. It's gonna go great on all your tacos or burritos or wherever you like hot sauce. Well, I really hope you try this, and I really hope you love it. And if you do, please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Oh, I need something to put this on.